soak them in hot water, warm water overnight. I pour warm water in the bottles to get off the from this and I soak them in warm water overnight, and the next day the paper is well soaked in warm water and everything. And so I put our coarse steamboat and I scrub off the bottom, not to damage it, not to damage it, time and rub off the paper and see, just like when I'm scrub off the paper and then use the steam off the after you do all of that, you wash them off with soap and water and you put them down to dry to use for it. So you're going to use it for yourself, you can use it for yourself to store stuff, and even your company over and you have excess juice, you can also put whatever you want in this bottle. For me, what I do in this bottle, guys, when Thanksgiving time come around and I have my salad drink or whatever drink I have, these are the bottles that I pour my salad or whatever drink I have into my drinks. This is the one I'm I make preparations so every time I have friends and family over, whatever is in one of these bottles. So right here, guys, I put my soup on my water and now I am going to wash all these bottles and they will be brand new, just like that. And so here, guys, another scrubber I'm using to scrub out, make sure I scrub out everything on the bottles. Make sure the bottle is packless. So you scrub the inside, you wash the inside, and just warm water and soap. And if you don't have any warm water, just warm cold water is enough, guys. You don't need to warm water, just water and soap and just wash this bottle good, guys. Just wash them good, and then you put them down upside down like dry for a later day. So just watch the process, guys. I like to wash up these bottles and sit with them tomorrow or another day. Someone might visit my house, so I have to give them a little juice and a little soup. Guys, I have to put them back, and every year when I have a get together, these bottles disappear so fast because friends and family take their juice and all that lovely's in them. Guys, if you want to put rice and peas in these bottles to give them to take home, that's okay. So guys, continue to watch the process. Thank you so much for watching the videos. If you like these videos, please comment in the comment section and tell me that you like these videos. You could drop also in the comment section where you're watching this video from, so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. So guys, I finished washing the back and now I'm gonna rinse them off, guys. So right now I'm just rinsing. I already give them one rinse already, guys. So this is my second rinse. So I'm just showing you how I rinse off the bottles and then how I put them down to dry, guys. Put them down to dry to use for a later day. Guys, let us protect our environment, not to just use things and just throw it in the garbage, not thinking about the environment that do not, melt out these stuff, let us protect our environment that God give to us. And so guys, you see I wash the covers also, and here you go, I'm putting them on a dish rag to dry. So there you go, guys, everything is all washed and nice and clean. And so I'm just gonna finish. I already have them put down to finish drying. Once they are finished drying, I'm gonna put the cover on them and store them in my cabinet, so when I have get together, I can give my friends and my family juice or cereal or whatever liquid I have to take home. So guys, thank you so much, as I said, to watching. Please continue to watch, continue to subscribe, continue to follow the page, and let me know how you like this page. Guys, I'm sorry that I have to do voiceover, but sometimes I have no choice because I babysit, and sometimes I have to just do the voiceover, even though sometimes I don't like to do voiceover because they are too long. So there you go, guys, my bottle is all turned upside down to use for a later day. Take care of yourself until next time.